Take 1 part spiky hair, 2 parts genius sisters, a dash of talking dog, mix thoroughly, and the result is an action-packed animated series about a boy willing to try anything in the name of science. When Johnny meddles with one of the genius twin sisters out of this world science experiments, he plunges the town of Pork Belly into chaos. Johnny and his loyal pooch Dookie must break all the rules in order to save his friends. Play through 12 mind-bending levels of non-stop adventure. Play as Johnny or his alter egos, Johnny X and Trooper J. Play with an incredible collection of gadgets from the laboratory. Push the limits of reality with Johnny Test, a new physics-bending platformer adventure for Nintendo DS.
Some fun there. Let's find out what friends will make. Buster, where you up to? What you up to, Buster? Where you up to now? Yeah. Ring around the globe from North Pole to South Pole. Riding on horses, ferries, trains, and planes. Hiking, biking, swimming at the seashore. He's got his camera and he's gonna explore all the new things he's never done before. Yeah. Hey, Buster, where you up to? What you up to, Buster? Where you up to now? Hey, Buster!
All of your favorite Nick Jr. friends are available now on DVD.
Reach up and catch the stars!
Play with Dora and dance with Pablo. You can have a play date anytime, anywhere.
Move and groove!
In the car, on a plane, or just at home in your backyard.
Let's play together!
Join Dora, Diego, Kylon, and the rest of your favorite Nick Jr. friends on all of their adventures.
Catch you later!
You can collect all the Nick Jr. DVDs available now.
Cartoon Network's hit show Mad.
Did he say the M word?
Is on DVD for the first time ever. We're raising the bar on comedy.
I'm a talking car, for crying out loud! Think what you're doing here!
And using it to hit Hollywood where it hurts.
This is most illogical.
In 13 episodes from the all-new TV show.
Name something a penguin does.
Robs banks.
That doesn't even make sense.
Mad, Season 1, Part 1. Go crazy on DVD.
Of course you love Ben 10.
I love you all too, but not as much as you love me.
That's why we created Ben 10 Omniverse DVD Volume 2 with 10 insanely fantastic episodes.
Don't understand that, but it sounds great.
And enough special features to choke a 10-ton trumpifular. How does this kid do it all?
Doesn't matter how, as long as I look good doing it.
Well played, Mr. Tennyson. Well played. Ben 10 Omniverse DVD Volume 2. Own it now.
SpongeBob on all his rephrasing adventures, now on DVD.
I've never felt so alive!
Surf's up! Party on! All engines go!
Give me that wheel! I got it!
You can catch SpongeBob on DVD.
Follow me!
And watch him wherever you may be.
This is really fun.
We should do this more often! SpongeBob on DVD, each sold separately, available now.
In a war, you give everything you have. That makes you an Avenger. How about that?
I promise a stress-free environment. No surprises.
Ow!
Is everything a joke to you? Funny things are.
Hulk, smash.
How do we do this?
As a team. We're not finished yet.
Guys, I'm bringing the party to you.
It's 4 kid favorites. Cartoon Network The Hall of Fame Collection Volume 2. Packed with action, drama, romance,
Nigel's got a girlfriend.
and suspense.
Booga booga!
Featuring Samurai Jack, Courage the Cowardly Dog, Codename Kids Next Door, and Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends. With 30 episodes on 4 discs, all in one DVD set. 4 kid favorites. Cartoon Network The Hall of Fame Collection, Volume 2. Buy it March 12th.
Let me tell you a tale about two righteous bros who never fail. In the Adventure Time, my two favorite people DVD. Jake's a dog with the power to grow.
Stretch good.
And Finn's the hero who will never say. It's an Emmy-nominated series with 12 awesome episodes, some mathematical character galleries, and this time... Adventure Time, my two favorite people DVD, in store September 27th.
This is for you.
Cartoon Network's Holiday Collection DVD is here. It's got Adventure Time, regular show, and Gumball Holiday Cheer. Let's see the universe, focus episodes, your mouth will bring a tear. Let's go home, it's our thrilling through the holiday hangover.
Cartoon Network's Holiday Collection DVD.
Own it today.
Yes!
Parents, join us each weekend in October for Nick or Treat and experience winter like never before during Let It Snow. Select nights in November and December.
Join us every night at 7 for all new episodes of your favorite shows.
New at 7, starting Monday night, only on Cartoon Network.
Dan Marsh?
Me?
Your presence is requested, sir.
Oh, cool.
Get on in, sir. There's sparkling punch and donuts.
What's going on? We have no idea.
I forgive you, I forgive me. Now when do I start to feel again? I forgive you, I forgive me. Now when do I start to feel again? 'Cause the lights are on, but I'm never home. But I'll be back with a brand new attitude. 'Cause I forgive you, I forgive you. We were just a couple of kids trying to figure out how to live, doing it our way. No shame, no blame.
Terrific.
Damn it.